Hi guys, my name is KUWKK, preferably known as Kunnin Kay, and welcome to Keeping Up with Kunnin Kay, which is a personal diary of mine. Before we go anywhere, okay, if you want to unpack more pages of my life with me, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell, like this video, comment on anything you want to know, and share it if you can. Your support is highly appreciated. And to the Keeping Up with Kunnin Kay community members, thank you for your unwavering support and love. I really appreciate it. It doesn't go unnoticed. Okay, now guys, as you guys saw, I went to go fetch something downstairs. Well, the footage is from yesterday. I was quite sick, so I didn't really unbox. So I figured let me unbox this morning, which is Friday, because I'm feeling a whole lot better. So got a delivery from Takealot. First things first, it's a ring light in here. Wow, actually this is a vlog. You already see by the title. Finally I'm saying this, it's a vlog, and then I have a ring light on my lap, because wow, the reason why I couldn't do sit-down videos all this time is because I didn't have a ring light, you know. So I'm gonna break the chain of the vlogs and have a sit-down video. I have so much like ideas, and I can't wait to like, you know, execute and create the content. Okay, so guys, I'm really excited. Getting a ring light is like, this is an asset. This is a valuable asset to the Keeping Up with Kunnin Kay community. Okay, like yes, it actually. Abati, what do you own? Sits ring light. Information about it. It's, I think it's 12-inch ring light with a stand. I purchased it for 230 rand, but then because of delivery, it was 260 rand. I'll leave the link to like the exact ring light down below. I got it from Takealot, as I said, and yeah, if you know Takealot, you know they deliver quite quickly. It took 2 days to get here, so yeah, let us open it. So I just opened the box. This is how it looks inside. The box is quite big. This is the stand. Jack Brown adjustable tripod. And DK was right. Okay. Nice. And then this is the actual ring light. 12-inch, as I said. Y'all see that? Guys, I don't look wow. I really don't look wow. What the fuck? I don't look wow. I look so sick, if you can just see. Guys. Okay, the ring light. This is the cords you use to adjust the lighting and everything. This button over here. Guys, please don't mind my nails. My nails and my lashes depict what I'm going through. Okay, I'm even sweating. Oh my god, fuck, I just showered actually. So that's that. This is like the little ball that you use to position the ring light. So if you want it facing like this, like that, so it gives it structure, basically, I'd like to think. And then this is the phone holder. Yeah. Let me just read its features for you guys. So color temperature, so you can like transition it from cool white to natural white to warm white. 360 degrees adjustable. It has a cell phone holder, as I showed you guys, and yeah, that's pretty much it basically. And now let's open the stand, or the tripod rather. Ooh. Quality, baby. It's given. Like, as you seen, the tripod I'm currently using, sure. Anyways, it was 100 rand, guys. Guys, this is what you call a tripod. Hey, wanale. Actually, I think this one will be the one I use if I'm vlogging and I'm out and about, and then this one I'll use like when I actually want to do sit-downs, because it's so strong. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm happy. I am impressed. Highly recommend that you purchase this, or well, this specific one. It's great quality. Jack Brown is the girl she thinks she is. I don't know who Jack Brown is or the company, but now I know. So yeah, guys, let me assemble it and switch it on and see if yes it bends up. Okay guys, I closed my blinds, hence the lighting is bad, because obviously I want to test her out. And guys, I'm impressed. Okay, you press on. It'll always be night. Guys, I have a ring light. Okay, let me put her. And that's on power. I wish I could play music right now because I'm so excited. But copyright. Guys, if you have any like tricks or like help, or like, I don't know, YouTube videos you can refer me to, like on how to like get copyrighted, please help me out. Like, please help me out. And by the way guys, today is Summer Walker day. Summer Walker dropped Still Over It. Okay, because she's trying to tell us not to go back to our exes. We are still over it, guys. Okay, like, yeah. I'm so coolie. I'm not sick anymore, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for coming to my unboxing. As I said, this is gonna be a vlog. I think I've mentioned that before. It's going to be a vlog. The itinerary: I have to unplait my hair and wash it, and then Sunday I'm going to celebrate my grandmother's 75th birthday, so I'm going to take you guys with me. So I'll see you guys when I'm doing something interesting or productive. Bye. So guys, I just finished making breakfast so I can have my medication. My plating is not the best, but guys, can I just say, eating like this at rest is a privilege. Like, guys, it doesn't happen every day. Most of the time I'm always having oats. So this week I spoiled myself. I'm like, you know what, Kuketsu, please have proper breakfast for the entire week, because I can, you know. Home. So guys, I'm done unplaiting my hair, but here's the plot twist. When I was doing this hair, my hair lady like was crisscrossing my hair, and she was making little like braids inside. So now I have to like unplug each of those, and I'm not about to do that. Like, I'm gonna go to the salon tomorrow so she can undo what she did and wash my hair as well. So peace out. Morning guys, welcome back to another day in my vlog. Okay, today we're going to wash my hair. I did mention yesterday what my hairstylist needs to do. It's a bad hair day, hence I'm wearing the bucket hat. Yeah, I'm having some Takealot breakfast on the run. I'm quite hungry. What else? That's pretty much it. Let me show you guys my outfit because I'm really feeling it and stuff. So yeah guys, let's go. Okay, so I'm wearing these floral pants from Mr. Price. I bought them in 2019. This crop top, I bought it for Sheeny this year. These black slides, I bought them this year at Mr. Price. Yeah. Guys, my hair. Guys, if I had a small waist, just imagine that there's a small waist going on here. Okay, jokes aside. Wait, let me position this because I want y'all to see me. Bitch, go down. Act like I never left. Oh gosh. Guys, I'm having some sweet corn. I'm trying to finish all the vegetables I meal prepped for this week because tomorrow I'm going home. You know, tomorrow is Sunday, so the following week I don't wanna be still eating this because it's from last week. So I'm having this. This is my breakfast. I think I'm bad. I'm not sure, but I think I know. I think I know. I'm not sure, but I think I know. Dia Chabula, Chabula, Masive happy Mutami. Tarayo cookies. Sibemo. Cook up chicken bedalina.
What the bed is not.
Let's let me do my little shell of a sing.
That's the choice.
If he didn't bring you, I wouldn't be here.
That's it.
Hey, give a kiss you. Give a salute, man. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Morning, guys. It's Sunday. It's my grandmother's birthday. Let's go wish her a happy birthday. Then we're gonna go out for lunch. Yay! When you feel I'm like 75. Do you feel old?
75.
Yeah.
76.
Hey.
What's happening again? My real age, I walk. Since I look at my real age, it doesn't. Even you can put me to go for it.
I'm 75. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuku. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Go. Look at the little. Oh my God! Once in a blue moon. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuku. Happy birthday to you. Are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
76 years of age.
Woo! So we're about to leave. If I'm there, let's go. Sorry? Sissy? In the ocean? So guys, we're at the Fat Olive. I want to show you guys my outfit. Yeah. Celebrating my grandmother. We've been here before actually, but we're at the opposite restaurant called Coast Alta Beach. So today we're going to the Fat Olive. So yeah, let's go. In Lanseria. I don't know, I'm giving the details because I'm just gonna put the location somewhere there. But yeah.
Birthday, I've got to say happy birthday to. We've got one more birthday, and it's around the corner there. Takealot's birthday. I want to wish you a beautiful, beautiful day. Happy birthday from all of us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Kuku.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I hope you've had a beautiful day here. Thank you for myself, Renee. It's been beautiful. See you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Hi guys, we're about to leave the Fat Olive. It's a really, really nice place. Good for Sundays with family. They play amazing music. So we're about to go home. This is the end of the vlog, unfortunately. Thank you for watching. I really, really appreciate it. See you guys in my next video.